Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to schedule Instagram posts. On Instagram in particular, creating and scheduling your content in advance allows you to focus on the high quality images and well-edited videos that thrive on Instagram. It also allows you to work interrupted for the rest of your workdays, so you have a chance to tackle responsibilities like community, reporting, analysis, and strategic planning. If you're currently using a personal account, you'll have to switch to an Instagram business or creator account before scheduling posts. Fortunately, it's free and it only takes a minute. The first method, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon, then tap post or reel to create your content as usual. Once you've made your edits and added your caption, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap advanced settings. Now, toggle the schedule switch on and choose the date and time you want your post to go live. Tap the back button and then tap share to schedule your post. If you want to revise your scheduled post, open your Instagram profile and tap the menu icon in the top right and tap scheduled content. Then tap the three dots next to the relevant post or reel to edit, reschedule, share now, or delete. Note that you can schedule a maximum of 25 posts per day and a maximum of 75 days in advance. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.